In this video, we will discuss the runtime environments which we will use during the course. Uh, we will use Google Colab. Uh, it is an online platform which was cloud-based platform which is provided by Google. However, we can also use other platforms like Jupyter Notebook, which can be installed on your local system or local computer. Uh, the advantage of using Google Colab is that you can share with your peers, and moreover, you can use the hardware available provided by Google free of cost. And although there exist different platforms, even online platforms, which you can use for the execution of Python program. But during this lecture, during this course, we will use only Google Colab. However, you are free to use Jupyter Notebook or other options. In this video, I will discuss about how to use Google Colab. First, first of all, you can this write colab.google.search.google.com. So this interface, sorry about the internet, the interface will appear. This interface guides you about what is Colab and the benefits of Google Colab is zero configuration, so we don't need to configure our computer. It is already pre-configured, easy to share, and free access to the GPUs. Uh, and moreover, you can just write your code and just hit the run button, so it can be executed. So first of all, I will show you how to write how to write the code. So click new notebook. So it requires sign in. First of all, I will sign in this Google Colab platform. So we can start here. First of all, whenever you want to code, you can click insert code cell, or there is shortcut control plus M to insert a new code cell, or you can insert text to give you the hints about what are you doing. So for example, and you can move it cells up and down, uh, link to the cell, and different you can add comments, change settings, or delete it, or there are different options. So I move it text cell up. So I write it here. For example, first program in Google Colab. So text will not be executed. It is just for the hint that what are you doing. I will write it here. The code which I have copied, I will change it. For example, 12, 13, 40, 50, 60. To execute a cell or code fragment in Google Colab, you have to write. Uh, just run the cell, or you can use shortcut key Control Enter from the keyboard. However, before executing this code, you have to connect to the environment. So it is allocating and connecting. Whenever I click this cell, so it will be executed and the output is shown. I'm not going into detail about what is NumPy or how the array is allocated or how is it is printed. In this short video, I will only discuss how to use Google Colab. So some people use header files separately and or libraries included in different cells, and the values which they are using are inserted in or code fragment in different cells. For example, improve, import numpy as np, it is executed separately, and in the second cell you can click it and execute it, and the output is shown here. This is the best. Whenever the cell is executing, it will be a circle or and when the cell is executed, a number is shown that it is executed. For example, it was executed second time and it was third, the number of the sequence in which the cell is executed. Moreover, you can check different options that you can save it, open new notebook, open an existing notebook or upload notebook here, rename or move to trash, or you can save a copy of this notebook into Google Drive or GitHub, save it, and different options are available here. Or you can edit different cells, cut cells or selections, delete selected cells, or find and replace. Moreover, uh, you can uh, check and see different options. The most important is that if you want to execute all the cells, so you can click run all. So these cells are executed. How, it depends how many cells are there, so you can execute using the run all command. For example, I create another code fragment and I paste it, and whenever I click run all, so all cells are executed in that sequence. And you can check restart runtime interrupt if some process or program is taking too much time. So you can interrupt their execution, restart runtime, or change into factory reset runtime.